Hello, my name is Angela Reddock, and welcome to Your Work Matters. I'm excited today because we're launching our coffee break series, and here's my coffee, that's where we will come to you on a weekly basis or regular basis to present topics of interest to you in your workplace and to give you tools and tips for being successful in the workplace, and most importantly, to promote positive dialogue between employers and employees and to help create progressive 21st century workplaces. That's what Your Work Matters is all about. So today we are presenting a topic which has been pretty interesting and controversial this year, and that's related to the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. The law's been controversial because some people like it, some people don't, but that's not what Your Work Matters is about. We just want to give you a few facts to help you decide what's best for you and to empower you as you make decisions for yourself and for your family. So here are a few quick facts. The law was, President Obama signed the law in March 23rd, 2010, and the law officially takes effect on January 1, 2014. So what does that mean? That means that is the first day that uninsured Americans, who the law is designed to protect and to give health care to, that uninsured Americans will have the opportunity to have insurance. And they can receive insurance through what the law calls health care exchanges. Now, the health care exchanges are offered either through the federal government, and that's been the controversy that you've heard in the news because the federal government website, which can be found at healthcare.gov, G-O-V, had some glitches when it was first launched a couple of months ago. Those glitches apparently have been worked out to a large extent, and you can go to healthcare.gov to receive information about the law, to receive information about benefits, and to receive quotes for benefits, or you can contact the representatives associated with that site. The exchanges are also offered through states. Now, not every state has signed up for an exchange or to be an exchange. 33 states have signed up so far. For example, my state, California, we have a healthcare exchange called Covered California, which is at coveredca.com. Again, if your state has an exchange, you can contact that exchange to find out more about the law, how it's applied in that state, and to obtain benefits and rate comparisons to determine if you want to sign up for insurance. So here are some key questions for you to ask yourself. First, do you currently have health care insurance? For example, maybe you have it through your employer, or maybe you have it through Medi-Cal or Medicare. If you have insurance through your employer or Medicare or Medi-Cal, then you don't necessarily need to sign up for insurance through the healthcare exchange. Okay, so we are in a coffee break. You just heard the vending machine and the refrigerator go off here, but we'll continue. You don't necessarily need to sign up if you have employer-based insurance or Medi-Cal or Medicare. If you have employer insurance, you may, again, I'm not telling you that you have to, but you may want to contact either the federal government exchange or your employer exchange to see if you might receive better rates through the exchange. Now, in my experience and in my research, most employer plans tend to be more competitive than even the lower cost plans offered through the exchange. But again, just so you have the knowledge and that you fully understand what's best for you and your family, you may just want to do some comparisons. Now, like with the healthcare exchange, your employer offered plans are usually offered one time a year, and so here we are at December 24th. So you may have, most employer plans are offered from October through the end of the year. So you may have missed the opportunity, if you haven't done so already, to inquire about your employer plan compared to the health exchange plans. But either way, do the research and determine what's best for you. If you do not have insurance through your employer or through Medicare or Medi-Cal, then the exchange could be a viable option for you. And if you contact federal government or state exchange, you'll see that they offer different plans. For example, in California, the state offers what they call a platinum plan, a gold plan, and a silver plan, and a bronze plan. And each of those plans provide different benefits and are presented at different cost points. And so it allows you, the bronze plan allows you to get basic benefits at a lower cost versus a platinum plan to get enhanced benefits at a higher cost. But again, it's all about information and knowledge and deciding what's best for you. The key today is to know that December 24th, this officially is the last date to sign up for healthcare benefits if through the exchange, if you want the benefits to take place January 1st. If you do not, if it doesn't matter whether your benefits begin January 1st or not, then you have until March 31st, 2014 to get healthcare benefits for calendar year 2014. So if you haven't done so already and you want benefits on January 1, get on the phone now, go to the website now, and try to get rates. Now, the government has extended the deadline from December 24th by another day or so because of the prior glitches, just so every person that wants health care will have an opportunity to get rates before the end of the year and to be ready for January 1. But it varies depending on the state and depending on, I believe the federal government has extended it for another 24 to 48 hours. The key here, the real key, the bottom line is to get the knowledge you need to equip yourself with the information you need to make the right decision for you and for your families. That's all we're encouraging here at Your Work Matters. A final thing is, if you do, and one of the controversies of the law is if you do not have a health insurance by March 31st, 2014, you're not on a group plan, you're not on Medicare or Medi-Cal, you're not participating through the exchange, then you can be charged an annual penalty. In the first year, that penalty is 1% of your annual income or $95, whichever is greater. There are some exceptions to that rule, but again, if you contact the benefits representative, you can get that information. The final thing I will say and caution everyone is that there are a number of people and companies that are cropping up that are charging people to get this information about the Affordable Care Act and to charge them to provide them quotes for our rates for benefits. I caution you against that. This information is free. The government has invested a lot of money to educate individuals about the Affordable Care Act, their rights under the Act, and the opportunities under the Act. So if someone wants to charge you for this information, I encourage you to turn the other way. I encourage you to run and to contact a local community organization, to contact your state exchange, the federal government exchange, to get the information you need. This information does not cost, it's free. So with that, we'd like to thank you for tuning in to Your Work Matters. Please tune in for our next edition where we will do a 2013 year in review to talk about some of the workplace issues, employment and labor law topics that have impacted and had the greatest impact on your workplace this year. Thank you so much. This is Angela Reddock with Your Work Matters. You can continue this discussion at www.your-workmatters.com. That's www.your-workmatters.com. Happy holidays and have a great day.